Good morning, students. Yesterday you had test which was conducted at 5:30 on Teachment app. So many topics of grammar were given to you. So today I'm going to discuss answer key with you. So you write down the answers and match your answers with checked PDF so that you will come to know about your drawbacks and negative points. Okay. So let's begin. First question that I have asked was fill with suitable determiner. Please tell dash participant to submit their picture. So what should be the answer of first question? Each. Each was your correct answer. Clear? Now, second question. On the flight from Bagdogra, I said dash a famous football star. Along with, next to, beside or besides. Very good. Its answer was next to. Afterwards, we have third. Pick up subject from the given sentence. Dear gentle kind Maya looked after all of us. In this, so many students have committed mistake. They have underlined only Maya. They have picked Maya answer. See, Maya's adjectives are also given. So adjective will also be considered as a part of subject. So dear, gentle, kind Maya. So it's the C option is right. Dear, gentle, kind Maya. So it's C option will be your correct answer. Now we have fourth option, fourth question. Pick up subject from the given sentence. Sorry. Pick up direct object from the given sentence. Did you give Niti her check? So what is direct object here? Her check. And what is indirect object here? Niti. But here you have to find out direct object. So its answer will be her check. Okay. So her check is your correct answer. Now, question number 5. Fill with suitable model. Going out alone at night dash be dangerous. See, all these options seem correct. All these models seem correct. But we have to choose the most appropriate option. That is very near. It will be going out alone at night would be dangerous. Because may is less appealing. That is having less chances. So would will be your correct answer. After that, 6. Pick up linking verb at its complement from the given sentence. This appears to be simple. So here, what is linking verb? Appears. And what is complement? So appears is your linking verb. And to be simple is your complement. So this is your correct answer. Now let's move to question number 7. Choose adverb and its kind. So what is adverb in this sentence? Yes, quite. And what kind of adverb is this? It is adverb of degree. It is adverb of degree. Now next question we have is choose the correct answer. See, in these sentences, there is a wrong use of adverb. But we have to pick up that sentence where there is a correct use of adverb. I am late for work sometimes. Sometimes I am late for work. I sometimes am late for work, or I am sometimes late for work. So D option is your right answer. I am sometimes I am sometimes late for work. So that will be your correct answer. Now afterwards 8, let's move to question number 9th and 10th. Question number 9 is choose adverbial phrase. First of all, tell me adverbial phrase. My aunt is coming here for a holiday. What is adverbial phrase? So for a holiday is adverbial phrase. For a holiday is your adverbial phrase. But you have to tell its kind. That why is she coming? What is the purpose? So from that it is crystal clear that what is adverbial phrase kind? That is purpose. So for a holiday is your adverbial phrase and its kind is purpose. Adverb of purpose. Adverbial phrase of purpose. Now question number 10th is pick correct type of conjunction. The teacher was knowledgeable as well as dedicated. So here as well as is your conjunction. But what kind is that? It is, yes, very good. It is cumulative. So these were explained in detail when this topic was taught to you. So the concept should be very much clear in your mind. That is cumulative. Afterwards, we have C option. That was so simple. Ritu has dashed the confidence, dashed the courage to participate in the contest. Neither nor. But if you put both and that is also correct. So neither nor is your correct answer. No. No, it is not necessary. Here you have to use neither and nor. One option neither, second option for nor. Both and or, both and that is also correct. Now let's move to question number 12. Fill with correct infinitive. My mother made me dash the homework again. Here which infinitive will come? Bare infinitive. So what is bare infinitive here? Do. Do is your bare infinitive. Now question number 13 we have identify the function in infinitive phrase. See, infinitive phrase is to come late to class is unacceptable. So to come late to class, that is your phrase, infinitive phrase. But what kind is that to come late to class? It was already underlined. You have to only tell its function. So what is that? It is, tell me. Only one student has spoken. It is subject of a verb. So thus infinitive phrase was already underlined, so it was very easy for you to find out. So basically it was a subject of a verb. Now we have question number 14. Identify clause. But this clause was already underlined. That was, please tell me how to bake a cake. How to bake a cake, that is your, which clause? Yes, it is your noun clause. And last was very simple question that I have asked you. Holiday costs a lot of money. What is that? Yes, it is gerund. So this is basically answer key, which was also shared. Sorry, which will be shared today on Snap homework also. But now all the answers are being discussed with you. You can match your answers. Okay. and in this way you will come to know about your drawbacks. Now you have time to improve your drawbacks. Yes, you found so many difficulties in opening Teachment app. So many students have sent me PDFs on WhatsApp. So I'm checking it side by side, and today I'll be able to send you back. Clear? Now, without wasting much time, let's move to revision of literature. Now, without wasting much time, let's begin revision of the literature chapter, the story of Narayanan Krishnan. This chapter is from your PT3 syllabus. So, in your final exams, literature from PT3 as well as from PT4 will be asked. Okay. So, PT4 chapters we were able to do. Your test has also been conducted of those chapters. So, now let's revise chapters of PT3. So all of you take out your literature books. Open your books at page number 89. Question number 1. Which incident can be termed as a turning point in Narayanan Krishnan's life? Anybody can tell me what was the turning point? Okay, good. See, when he quit his job and he was on his way, not he quit his job, first of all, what was going on? He saw an old man, and that old man was so helpless that he was eating his own body waste because of sheer hunger and starvation. So here you will be adding that word sheer hunger and starvation. Because of that, he was eating his own body waste. And afterwards, what happened? What was the action of Narayanan? What was his action? What was his action? He was shocked. And what act did he perform at that time? Yes. He brought food. From where? From one of the nearby hotels. So when he provided him food, what was the action of old man? Now you have to tell about the action of old man. He was eating so quickly, so fast, because he was too hungry, and the tears were flowing down on his face. So you will be picking up all these hints. After picking up all these hints, after looking at the blackboard, pick up all the hints and start framing your first answers in an elaborative way. Write down all the details and arrange all the ideas in a proper way. How to begin your answer, how to end up your answer. You should know this. Clear? So start writing. After exact 2 minutes, I can ask any of the child to reply me, to tell me this answer. And online students, they have already raised their hands by the time I ask from them. My offline students, keep on writing. Pick up all the hints. Okay, Renuka Singh, you tell me this answer.
Ma'am, before visiting to Europe, he wants to visit his family once before going. While visiting, he saw an old man on the road who was eating his own body waste of sheer hunger and starvation. He couldn't believe on his eyes and rushed to a hotel to buy some food for him. When he gave the old man food, her, his he was very shocked to see the man eating so fast while tears were flowing through her face.
Good.
The
Good. Now, Panika, you tell me this answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Panika, speak
While he was
loudly.
shortlisted from While he was shortlisted from an elite job in Switzerland, he wanted to make a quick visit to his family before heading to Europe. While visiting his family, he saw a sight that changed his life, career, and thoughts completely for good. He saw an old man eating his own body waste out of sheer hunger and starvation. He couldn't believe his eyes and rushed to a hotel to buy some food for him. When Krishnan gave him the food, he was so shocked to see the man eating so fast while tears were flowing down from his face out of happiness for the food received.
Good. Very well said. She has added some of the lines in the beginning. She has also added that when he was visiting his family and he was coming back from Taj. So that's really good. You can also add these lines. So in this answer, you have to tell about Akshaya's trust in answer number second, that why did he start Akshaya Trust? So before giving this answer, you have to tell about brief introduction about Akshaya Trust, that it started in 2003. It is basically a non-profitable organization. Okay. And what is it? What is the purpose of this organization? To serve 3 times meal. Yes. 3 times meal. And to whom it is serving food? To which kind of person it is serving food? Mentally ill, or you can say write down mentally challenged or homeless. Homeless people, mentally challenged, and elderly people. Elderly people. And at which place? In Madurai. It is compulsory to write down the place. So you can pick up all these hints. With the help of these hints, you can tell about this answer. And if you want, you can also write down that these people are basically which kind of people? Uncared people. And where does he found such kind of people? On the, yes, on the roadside of the city. You cannot write down any detail on your own. Whatever is given in the chapter, you pick up those hints, and with the help of those hints, you frame your answer. So pick up all these hints and frame your answer number second. So start framing. From online class, Ramneek Kaur, she has raised her hand. Panika and Renuka Singh, they are ready with their answers. That is really praiseworthy. These students are always attentive in my class. Renuka, Ramneek, and Panika. That's really good. Okay, Panika, you tell me what have you written?
Yes, ma'am. Narayanan Krishnan started the Akshaya Trust because he wanted to serve the people, so he founded a non-profitable organization in 2003 known as Akshaya Trust. It serves 3 meals a day to over 400 poor, homeless, mentally challenged, and elderly people in Madurai. Krishnan also said that the name Akshaya is a Sanskrit word for undecaying or imperishable and was chosen to signify that human compassion should never decay or perish.
Good. So she has also added one quotation in her answer that is given in your book, that she has added one quotation from her own side, but one quotation is also given in your book. Because of poverty, India faces so many mentally ill people have been left uncared for on the roadside of the city. You can pick up this. You can pick up these lines also. These are given on page number 90. But it is very much compulsory to add all these points in your answer. You don't leave any of the point, pick up all these hints and points and frame a long answer. Okay, now you tell me this answer. Your name is Harmeet? Harnoor. Okay, you tell me this answer, Harnoor. It is not found, it is founded. Okay, he founded. Good. Okay, now last one. You tell me what have you written? Good. Very good. Now let's move to question number third. What are the difficulties that he faces in carrying out his noble mission? Pick up all the difficulties. Underline the difficulties which are given in your book. Now tell me which words can be used for difficulties. There is a word difficulty given in question. Difficulty word is given in the question. In place of difficulty, what can be written? Yes, it can be obstacles. So you can add this word in your answer. Another word for obstacle is, that is very common word, problem. I give you a hint. It starts with H. It starts with H. Yes. Hurdles. So he had to face so many hurdles, so many obstacles, difficulties, problems in carrying out his mission. So what were those obstacles? Now tell me. Very good. Yes. First obstacle that he found was lack of funding. Lack of funding means lack of donation. Yes. Yes. You can say environment problem also. Environment problem also. What was the environment problem? Yes. What was the temperature? 38 degree Celsius. Temperature and how long he had to cover the distance? Yes. 125 miles a day. Yes. Parents were also, parents did not support. Parents also did not give any support. Yes. So you can tell about some of the problems of parents, that they had spent a lot of money, but now they were not supporting their son. You can tell about environmental problems, that what is the climate of Madurai, in which kind of climate he had to serve from morning till late night. And moreover, he has no place to live in, no accommodation. Write down the spelling of accommodation very, very carefully. When you write down this word, you commit mistake. Just, there is a trick to learn. In accommodation, double C, double M. Both things are double. So don't write down these spellings wrong. Double C and double M. So no accommodation, because he has to stay in kitchen only. Okay. So these are the hurdles and problems he had to face. And another problem, Sorry, jubilant, elated. Hmm? He was serving poor people, but parents were unsupportive. He was leading his life for a noble cause, but parents were unsupportive. The reason was that, see, uh, he was he has asked a very good question, that why parents were not supportive at that time, because parents have spent a lot of money on his education, and he was a, you can say, very nice chef in one of the best hotel of Madurai, that is Taj, and he also got a chance to move to abroad. So if he would have gone to abroad, if he had gone to abroad, it means he would have earned a lot of money. So parents were having so many expectations that that their son should spend a very comfortable life. He should have a nice job, nice designation, good perks, good salary. But he did not accept all the things. He rejected all the things, and he led a path of that path where he could serve poor, where he could do something for the mentally challenged, mentally ill people. And for doing these things, he had to leave his job also. So that's why parents did not support, because parents were not taking his side. But at last, when they realized, yes, whatever their son was doing, it was absolutely fine. So they started supporting him. At the last of the chapter, it is given. So you have to make a list of all the obstacles and hurdles, pick up all these points and start framing your answer. So from online students, Renuka, Ramneek, Pranay and Laksh, they all have raised their hands. That's really good. And other students also raise your hands and get ready with your answer. Okay, I'm going to ask from online students, Laksh. Okay, Laksh, you tell me, what have you written?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning.
He faced many difficult. He faced many difficulties. Uh, the first difficulty he faced that was money issues. He handled a big operation whole day, and that costed around 25,000 a day. But the donations go up to 22 days a month. He only served Akshay with full respect, but the rest he ever hardly managed sometime by his grandfather's house rent. He faced many other difficulties, like he don't get sport from its parents. He has no accommodation.
Your answer was right, but you have used the wrong tense. He don't. You have to write down all the things in past, that he did not find any support. He found those problems. Okay. So try to use correct tense. That in this answer you have to use past tense, simple past tense. Otherwise, content was okay. Now, Pranay. Pranay, you tell me this answer. Yes, Pranay, I'm waiting for your answer. Pranay, you tell me this answer. He is not able to unmute. Renuka, you tell me. Yes, Renuka, you tell me your answer. You are already unmuted.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, please 1 minute.
Yes, Renuka. We are running out of time.